Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams in just a few quick steps. Click into the search bar at the top and type the name of the person whose chat you hid. In this example I'm searching for demo. Click on the person's name in the search results to open the conversation. The chat window opens in the main panel. You'll see a Show Hidden Chat History link at the top of the conversation. Click that link and the full chat history loads back into view, restoring all your previous messages with that person. If the Show Hidden Chat History link doesn't appear, the chat was never hidden in the first place. You might just need to scroll down your chat list to find it. Once you've unhidden a chat this way, it stays visible in your chat list until you hide it again. You can hide any conversation again at any time by clicking the three dots beside it in your chat list and selecting Hide. If you hide a lot of chats, remember that search is always the quickest way to bring them back rather than scrolling through a long list. And that's how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.